Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse once again, and in today's video we are going to Kenya. We are going to be making MUKIMO. It's a staple in central Kenya, mostly for the Kikuyu people, and I think it's now commonly, it's common in all the tribes, I think. And I happened to, fall in love with it when I tasted it for the very first time. So I asked my friend Grenia to come through and help me put this together with the right flavors, because she's been in Kenya, so she knows what they really do. And here is the video. So you guys, if you want to try this, trust me, it was a punch, and I'm sure you're going to love it. You'll need Irish potatoes, you'll need some fresh peas, like fresh peas. You can use beans, I think. She also told me like that. Then we use fresh corn, and we have ebishusha. This is pumpkin leaves, the young ones, like those ones on the top, not the old ones, because the old ones really can be hard. So I just picked the young ones. And then this food is mostly served with some beef stew or nyama choma. So that is the meat that I'm going to use to make the stew. And now this corn was really hard because it's fresh, so putting it off the corn was hard. We just had to cut it like this. It's really not wasting, like most of the people always say, you're wasting the corn. It's not. Just actually think it's the easiest way of removing it. So we're just going to remove this corn, and then together put it in a bowl, wash it, and then put it into a pan to cook, because it has to be ready. Like this MUKIMO, you have to cook 1,000 pots to get one meal. So we're just going to add in the peas, like few peas, and then mix it with the maize and let this cook for at least 20 to 25 minutes. We'll add in some salt to taste, and we let it until it's cooked through or it's ready. So now on the side we are peeling our potatoes. That is usually the base of the meal. So we just peel the potatoes, wash them, and also put them on fire. Now guys, one thing I learned, or something I realized about this meal, it is like one way of making children eat vegetables without actually serving them vegetables directly. They will just eat because it has some good flavor, because of what they add in, like you're going to see, and then the texture, so kids or children get to eat vegetables without actually touching vegetables. They think they are eating potatoes. So now the potatoes are on fire. They're going to be boiling and softening up. In the meantime, we are just going to be attending to our pumpkin leaves. Now pumpkin leaves have this rough skin on the outside that if you do not remove, it really doesn't make it taste better, like it stays rough. So you just have to touch the top of a stick and then slightly break and then pull down, so those strings can come down just the way they are doing right now. So the only way you can tell they are all done is if you break a stick and it does not come down with anything. So now in our water that was on fire, which is waiting for the pumpkin leaves, we'll add in some soda ash. Some people add in bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, anything you want, just to soften it up, but we are using the organic one. And then that also helps in maintaining the color of the pumpkin leaves. So I'm just going to give this a rough chop, just for easy management. I don't want to have strands of pumpkin leaves everywhere. So add them in to the water that has soda ash or chisula or chonde, and then these sticks, I like them. We can't throw them away. So we're just going to add them in also, and then we leave this one on low heat to boil until they are all soft and tender. Just like you're seeing right now, our potatoes are almost ready. We just have to add in some more things, and then our peas and maize is also ready. Then our stew is going on. You can see the cooker is busy. So guys, in the Irish, we are going to put in this flavor enhancer. Most people I've seen, they add in margarine, but we are just going to add in the local cow ghee. Oh, there's a bean inside, guys. It's supposed to protect it. We're just going to remove it. So we add in the ghee and then mix it up together. Oh my god, I just wish you could try this recipe at home. Just try it without butter but with ghee, and give me feedback, please, especially those who have children. Let's see how they react from taking plain mashed potatoes to taking this mukimo. So now our pumpkin leaves are ready. We're just going to put them into a blender. If you can't mash them, if you don't have a blender, just do that. Really, it's not big deal. We just want this one to have a smoother texture. Just blend it. If you have a food processor, just do that. Anything that is easier for you, do it. So now it's time to assemble our mukimo. We're just going to add in a bowl. We are going to mix everything from. We add in our cooked Irish. And because the pumpkin leaves are a little bit loose or watery, we're just going to be adding it in bits. We don't want to have a porridge-like consistency of this food. So mix everything together, and apparently this is judged, like they tell this is good mukimo according to the color of the food. So the greener it is, the better. Except that some other people will add in food color, but if you can access the organic pumpkin leaves, then do that. Don't stress. Now at this stage, we're just going to add in our cooked peas and maize, and then give that not so much, not too much work. We just give it a simple mix just to get everything together, and just like that, our mukimo is ready for serving. The children were happy. So you serve this with in most times with a beef stew or nyama choma or vegetables. Okay, whatever you choose. If you're not, if you're vegetarian, just choose anything that you want to do with this food you've made. It's already beautiful and delicious. Look at the texture. Thank you so much, my Kenyan friends, for inventing this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and subscribing, and always returning to watch my videos. I hope I am going to see you in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's grow together. Bye.